Hello everyone, this is your pretty tarot reader, Olivia. I'm back again with another love reading for the collective. So if you need a guidance, a warning, a sign, a message, this might be for you. I'm hearing silver watch. So if you are planning to buy a silver watch or mahilig ka sa silver na watch, this might be for you. This is also for all zodiac signs. Single in a relationship, it's complicated, situationship, LGBTQ, straight, confused. Pero, ayun, need ng advice, ng guidance sa love. This might be for you. Ayun, wait lang. Let's check for more what is the message, the advice, the warning ng cards for you. Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Tower. Let's check for more. Before we proceed, please follow my second account. Nakalagay siya sa aking bio. And for more tarot readings and free yes or no, please follow both of my accounts for updates. So we have here Page of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. Hindi na makita. So ayun, pasensya na kayo sa mga naririnig na background noises. But anyway, let's proceed. Someone is focusing on their money here, on their stability, on their work, school, trainings, ganon. Pero ang dami niyang gustong sabihin sa'yo. Ang dami niyang gustong aminin. Someone also is waiting for a timing. I can see sa image ko intuitively airport. You might planning to leave or may gusto kang puntahan. Pero meron dito, kung titingnan yung relationship or yung person na to, very composed, very get it together siya on the outside, but there is this viewering energy inside of this person or the situation na involve ka or involve ang person mo na pwedeng ikabigla mo magkakaroon ng shake up sa relationship, pero hindi mo siya malalaman agad hindi siya aaminin ng person mo sa'yo agad-agad. Someone also here is learning to love a person from scratch. Yung kahit this person is older sa kanya or more mature sa kanya, hinahayaan niya yung self niya na matuto ulit from the start when it comes to loving someone. I can also see here someone is negotiating when it comes to love, just to keep the relationship or spark alive or continue whatever is going on sa partnership nito. You might also receive a communication, a conversation that might change the entire relationship. For example, yung relationship nyo ng person mo or kung ano mang meron sa inyo ng kadil mo ngayon looks so kalmado, so quiet, so put together like that. Pwedeng magkaroon ng conversation na in an instant magbago yun. And if vice versa naman, if your relationship is medyo shaky, I can see here, there is this pwedeng pause na mangyayari. Hindi mo siya makikita pa eh. I can see an image of an eye. Parang someone here may idea na sa future ng relationship. Pero hindi niya pwedeng sabihin sa kadil niya na person kasi pwedeng hindi siya paniwalaan or ikadurog ng kung ano mang meron yung relationship na yun. You might also receive a hurtful confession. This person is nagtitiis na lang siya sa relationship. Trying to play the good person sa relationship just to please the people around him or her. Pero somebody's just waiting for us na to finally makagawa na ng desisyon regarding sa relationship na to. For singles naman, ang pinaka main energy na nakikita ko dito, pwedeng may mag-aya sa inyo like kumain sa labas or magkaroon ng isang person na very interested sa'yo. If you are someone wearing a black dress, yung paslant yung design sa bandang shoulder mo. And then, if you also love to accessorize your clothes with belt, red, specifically red belt. This is an exciting like getting to know connection, pero on your end, you wanna take it slow. So you will tell this person na, let's try to take things slow muna. You will be more clear sa kanya sa kung ano ang gusto mong mangyari sa relationship na to. So yan, that's it for today's love reading. If naka-resonate ka, follow me and follow my second account na nasa bio. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye!